Hello, how's it going, folks? It's me, Tabo, and welcome to another web devlog. So since the last time that I created a devlog, a lot has changed. So right now I'm just going to take you through some of the changes that I was working on. As you can see right now, this is a fly through inside of Blender. So I managed to actually get some assets that I was going to use to spruce up the look of my level. So as you can see, I've got a whole bunch of trees inside there and everything is looking quite lovely. So after adding all of this foliage, then I started experiencing problems because it seems like Octree cannot handle all of this information. So then I tried numerous ways to load all of these assets, but it was not possible. Because of this, then I had to think of other ways that I could continue. So one of the ways that I decided to continue with this was to create a separate base. Instead of having all of the platforms together, then I could just have one base, which would be a starting point. And then I got this idea of creating portals. So these portals would be the ones that would lead you then to the different platforms, like the About platform, the Projects platform, or the Blog platform. So in that case, then I could have separate bases, which are all beautifully designed. So I don't have to worry about having levels that are boring and plain and too minimal just because I cannot afford to add any more geometry or any more meshes into the scene. So this is then what I decided to go with. So I did continue and I did some experiments, and so this is what I ended up getting. So this is what I call the gray level. I call it gray level simply because it looks gray and I would intend to use it for a night sky. As I was going, then I got these ideas of maybe I should try having two versions of them. So the other one, I call it the limestone level. I don't know if that's correct, but regardless, this is similar to the one that I've had really in terms of color scheme, but this would be then daytime. So at the moment, I'm still exploring both options, whether I should have either one or maybe have the option of switching between the two. You could choose whether you want to experience the night sky or daytime, or it could change with the time of day. These are the options, okay? Don't know how realistic they are, but anyway, I'm just going with it. Okay, so now we're going to take a walk through the level. So this is the daytime level. As you can see, I think I like how it looks. I still want to have some grass, just little blades of grass. I even thought of maybe adding some fishes. It would be nice to also have some animation on the water, so I can create a shader or even look for an existing shader that I can just tweak just to give me an interesting effect. But I also really like these trees in comparison to the ones that I had. This was more the style that I was looking for. The ones that I'd created, they were too minimalistic. I could have created new ones, but to be honest, I'm just trying to save time. That's also another thing that I realized, that as much as I would like to just create everything myself, sometimes it's just really smart to look for already made assets so I can just speed up production. So right here is our night sky, and yeah, this is, there is no sky at the moment. I'm looking for a nice skybox that I can use. So far I haven't found one. I tried using some AI tools which have not worked so well so far, but I really like this one. I just, I don't know, I just like things glowing in the dark. I don't know, I'm just really a fan of like glowy things. So the bloom effect and everything, this is, I don't know, I just kind of like it because it just has this magical enchanted, feeling about it, which is it's a feeling that I resonate with more than anything. So yep, this is how I wrap it up. All I want to say is that this whole journey is very interesting, just how everything is unfolding and how things are changing, and I'm really happy to share this with you guys, because also part of problem solving is changing things so that in the end you can finish what you started, and this is what happened. So because of that, so now I've got this cool night sky level with the glowing objects. So yeah, this is how it goes. So how it's all gonna end, don't know, but with all that said, love and peace, my brothers and sisters. I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. You know what to do. I'm out.